What's going on? Back with another video. Today we're doing an easy fix. We are replacing this plug right there. It's leaking oil. It's leaking the oil down the dipstick onto the oil pan. So you might think your oil pan is leaking, but that's leaking down the dipstick to the oil pan to the floor. Quick fix, probably about I'm gonna say no more than 15 to 20 minute fix. The tools you will need is a 30mm socket and a 10mm socket. Taking off these two bolts right here. Drop this down so that we can get to that socket, that 30mm socket. Truck is a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. Earlier models, it's two coolant hoses coming out of here, out of the fuel housing, and you would have to remove the two hoses that'll be right here. So let's get to it. Go ahead and remove these two 10mm bolts so I can drop the dipstick down and get it out the way. Keep up with your parts, fellas. Keep up with the parts. That, move this out the way. It's flexible, so I'm gonna take my dipstick out, set that somewhere, and I'm gonna just push this out the way, push that down, get that out the way. Now for the fun stuff. I believe if you don't have a 30mm socket, you can use a 1/3/16 socket, I believe. Make sure you have an oil pan, because as soon as you unloosen that piece, that plug, oil will come out. This is the new one right here. I'm gonna put a little Teflon tape over the threads so that hopefully it doesn't leak ever again. Already. This is the old one. About to replace it. Twist it on by hand first, so you don't cross thread anything. Just snug it up. I'm going to go at the top because it's kind of tight right there. Let's see if I can get this back on there from this side. Too tight because it is on. Sure you can see that. Leak. Put the 10mm bolts back in. Put the dipstick in. We all done. We all done. As you can see, there wasn't any more leaks. Here's the old one right here. I noticed that it's not even a seal on this one. I'm not sure if it dry rotted and just broke off, and that's what made it leak. Yep, so now all we gotta do is put reattach the dipstick. Put the dipstick in, done. This is one of the easiest fixes. This is one easy fix. Quick fix. My next fix will be oil change, fuel filters change, both fuel filters, oil filter, oil pickup tube, the O-rings. I believe that's it. So that'll be the next video. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to wait until the weather break. It's kind of chilly out here. It's about 30-some degrees. So that will be my next video. So lost a gallon of oil. But there you have it. Quick fix. Probably only took 15 minutes. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. There's plenty more where this came from.